Oh. Well, they're pulling freight. Ooh, that's a bit weird. Oh shit, I'm starting to wonder if he's going to bring those cars onto that site or... Ooh, yeah, I'm wondering about that, man. Shit, maybe he is. Crap, I don't know what to do. I got the fucking fire station right there waiting for a response, and there's something going on down there. I thought they were fucking filling in potholes. I don't know what they're doing down there. Shit, I'm fucking torn now. Look at this. Yeah, man. CN GP-9 shunting CB rail cars. All right. Cool. A little bit odd though. I got a feeling he's going to come back maybe on the other track, eh? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Anyway, I'm heading down to St. Albans Street. You want to check it out? See, I knew that was going to happen. I started walking away and I get here comes the GP-9 coming back here. Oh God, that's not good, that sounds. It's like listening to fucking Christine maybe in her 318 purring away. It's a mechanical marvel. Courtesy of the good old days of General Motors. Notch it up. Yeah, he definitely went to get more cars. I should say they. See, the snow has another purpose. It makes things a little brighter. Not so damn dark. Oh shit, there's another train over there. No way. Not even a green signal. What the fuck? See? Oh boy. Maybe it wasn't another train. Maybe it was just one of those GP-9s, the other one, I guess. The one behind there. Probably what it was. Yeah, I guess. I guess. Yeah. Too clear to stop signals. Yeah. Might as well wait a little bit longer, eh? Yes, sir. Oh, no, sorry. There was just one clear, actually. Yeah, only one was clear. Or the other one turned red. I guess.